Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to automatically clear browsing data when closing Google Chrome window. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu, select Settings. In Chrome Settings, select this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on this one Site Settings option. Again, scroll down and click on this one Additional Content Settings. Again, scroll down and click on this one On Device Site Data. By default, you will see this option is selected for default behavior. Allow sites to save data on your device. Just select this one second option. Delete data sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. This will delete all the browsing data when you will close the Chrome window on your Windows PC.